Now let us draw the ray diagram for the image formation by the concave lens. Now let us consider the object which is at infinity, and as usual let us consider the two parallel rays from the object at infinity. And you know that when these rays passes through the concave lens, they refracts and they appears to be diverged from the principal focus. So you'll get the image at the principal focus on the same side, and this is highly diminished image and virtual image. So this is the ray diagram for the image formation by the concave lens when the object is at infinity. Now let us consider the position of the object is between any place between optic center and infinity. Now let us consider the object is here, that is between O and infinity, or between O and f1. Now here also let us consider the ray which is parallel to the principal axis, and that ray refracts, and that refracted ray appears to be coming from the principal focus. The next ray let us take the ray which passes through the optic center. And these two ray meet here, and you will get a image. If here AB is a object, means this A dash B dash is a image, and you will get the erect is a image, and that image forms between principal focus and optic center, and it is diminished image which is virtual and erect. When the object is between O and f1, that is between the principal focus and the optical center, the image forms on the same side as the object, that is behind the object.